If you're looking for the perfect weekend getaway from Mackay, you found the perfect video. Today we'll be exploring FINCH HATTON GORGE, which is part of the Eungella National Park. It's about 70 k's west of Mackay. It takes about an hour to get here and it's absolutely stunning. So if you like your hiking, if you like waterfalls and trying to spot the odd platypus or two, this is the perfect place. It's a nice rainforest. You'll see in my previous video I focused more on Eungella National Park itself, so you can watch that if you like, and this one will be more about FINCH HATTON and camping at the Platypus bush camp. Alright, so as I was jumping along the rocks then, I seen a snake, or like a little whip snake. It was very skinny. Look at all that. Gosh. Yeah, but I guess if you come here, just check out for, snakes or pythons warming up on those rocks. But yeah, he slithered away. I like snakes anyways. I ended up camping the night at the Platypus Bush Retreat, which you can see it's a pretty cool rainforest retreat sort of looking campground. It has a waterhole that you can go swimming in and a platypus viewing platform, if you're going early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Unfortunately, I didn't see any platypus, but I'd seen so many the day before at Eungella National Park itself, so I didn't mind not spotting them here. But just look at how cool these showers look. I just like the whole rustic sort of vibe. It was really cool. The only downside I'd say to this place is the camping camping sites are pretty small and close together. So I went in the off season and I was glad, you know, there was only one other person camping within 10 meters of me. But if the place was like pretty booked out, you would sort of be close together. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Just check what time of the year you're going, because if you have a lot of room or a big caravan and all that, you might find it very squishy in the area. But yeah, this is a little platypus viewing platform. No one else was there. I actually had the place to myself, and that's just a little catfish that I've seen. And on the next episode, I'll be going to Cape Hillsborough, where you can see wild kangaroos on the beach, so stick around for that.